Hello students. In previous video I said that I will teach some methods to find out rational number between two rational numbers. So today I am teaching you three methods to find out rational number between two rational numbers. So first question is two rational numbers between 4/5 and 3/2. Solution: there are two rational numbers 4/5. Two rational numbers between 4/5 and 3/2. So I am starting first method. 1/2 4/5 plus 3/2. In first method we add both rational number and find out half of them. So 1/2 LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. 5 2 is 10, 2 4 is 8, plus 2 5 is 10, 5 3 is 15. 1/2 into 23/10, it becomes 23/20. This is a first rational number. Now again we write 4/5 plus 23/20 and find out 1/2. So 1/2 LCM of 5 and 20 is equal to 20. Dividing 20 by 5 we get 4. 4 4 is 16, plus 20 divided by 20 we get 1 as a quotient, and multiplied 1 by 23 we get 23. So 1/2 of 639,213 39/20, it becomes 39/40. So two rational numbers between 4/5 and 3/2 are 23/20 and 39/40. So if you have to find out two or three rational numbers between two rational numbers, we use this method. हमको क्या करना है, पहले जो दो रेशनल नंबर है उनको प्लस करके उनका हाफ निकाल देंगे तो नंबर आ जाएगी. फिर फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर को और जो रिजल्ट आपका निकला है फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर, उन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे और उनका हाफ निकालेंगे. यदि हमको और थ्री रेशनल नंबर निकालनी होती तो हम इसको ले लेते और इसको ले लेते, प्लस करके उसका हाफ निकाल देते तो रेशनल नंबर आ जाता. तो इस तरह से ये पहला मेथड हुआ. नाउ आई एम स्टार्टिंग सेकेंड मेथड. सो क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड थ्री रेशनल नंबर्स between 2/3 and 3/4. As I taught you in previous video, we apply the same rule. So 3 rational numbers between 2/3 and 3/4. So you will see that 2/3 and 3/4 both are unlike fractions. That's why at first we have to make them like fractions. For this we have to find out the LCM of 3 and 4. So LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. Then 2/3 is equal to, we divide LCM by denominator, 12 divided by 3, we get 4 as a quotient. Then we multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So 2 into 4, 3 into 4. We are doing like this to make them a like fraction. 2 4 ja 8, 3 4 ja 12. So then second rational number is 3/4. So same process we apply. We divide 12 by 4. We get 3 as a quotient. We multiply numerator and denominator of 3/4 by 3. So 3 into 3, 4 into 3, 3 3 ja 9, 4 3 ja 12. You will see that both becomes like fraction. Both rational numbers have 12 as a denominator. Now since we have to find three rational numbers between 2/3 and 3/4, therefore we have to multiply numerator and denominator, numerators and denominators of 8/12 and 9/12 by 3 + 1 = 4. हमको जितनी रेशनल नंबर निकालनी पड़ती है उसमें से हम 1 ऐड करके जितना आता है उसका हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं. सो 8/12 is equal to 8 into 4 and 12 into 4. Now we have 8 4 ja 32/48. Second number is 9/12. So 9 into 4 and 12 into 4, we have 36/48. So three rational numbers between 2/3 and 3/4 are after 32 we get 33/48, 34/48, 35/48. You can simplify it. 3 11 ja 33 and 3 16 ja 48. 2 17 जा 34, 2 24 जा 48. So 11 upon 16, 17 upon 24, 35 upon 48. As you know that there are unlimited rational number between two rational numbers. That's why if you want to compare these answer with answer given in your books, or finding getting rational number by another method, sometimes we do not get same rational number. So don't worry, it happen due to the अनलिमिटेड रेशनल नंबर बिटवीन टू रेशनल नंबर. ये ऐसा तब होता है क्योंकि ऐसा इसलिए होता है क्योंकि इस टू रेशनल नंबर के बीच में बहुत सारी रेशनल नंबर्स होती हैं. तो हम जब अलग अलग मेथड से जब किसी एक नंबर का बीच में टू रेशनल नंबर के बीच से रेशनल नंबर निकालते हैं तो आंसर अलग अलग आता है. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपका आंसर गलत हो गया. आपका प्रोसेस सही होना चाहिए कि हमको कैसे करना है. इस प्रोसेस में आप देखोगे कि हमने क्या किया है. दोनों यदि लाइक फ्रैक्शन नहीं है तो एट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू मेक देम लाइक फ्रैक्शन. लाइक फ्रैक्शन के लिए हमको एलसीएम लेना पड़ेगा डिनोमिनेटर का. एलसीएम लेने के बाद उनको हम लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करने के बाद हमको जितनी रेशनल नंबर निकालनी है उससे वन मोर से मल्टीप्लाई करने के दोनों का न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर. देन वी गेट रेशनल नंबर बिटवीन टू रेशनल नंबर. सो now we go to the next method. This method is completed. Next question is find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. In this question we use third method. So for this method we have to assume let x equal to 3 upon 5 and y equal to 2 upon 3. Then we compare x is greater or y is greater. So since 3 into 3 is smaller than 2 into 5, therefore y is greater than x. 2 upon 3 is greater than 3 upon 5. We use formula for this. The formula is if you have to find n rational numbers between two rational numbers, we use formula x plus y minus x upon n plus 1, x plus 2 y minus x upon n plus 1, x plus 3 y minus x upon n plus 1, 1 2 3, because we have to find 5 rational numbers. So x plus 3 y minus x upon n plus 1, x plus 2 3 and this is a 4, sorry, x plus 5 y minus x upon x plus 1. We doing this continuously if according to the questions. If we have to find 5 rational numbers, we have to write 1 2 3 4 5. For more than 5 you can this process continuously. What is n here? n is a number of rational numbers, रिक्वायर्ड रेशनल नंबर, जिनको हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. 5 रेशनल नंबर हमको फाइंड आउट करना है, उसमें हम +1 करेंगे. x आपको हमने एज्यूम कर दिया है, y माइनस एक्स करेंगे. सो अब हम इसको हियर n इक्वल टू 5 and therefore n plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Y minus x is equal to 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 5. Subtracting we get 1 by 15. Now you have y minus x and n plus 1. To make easier, at first we find out y minus x upon n plus 1. So y minus x is equal to 1 upon 15 and n plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. So 1 upon 15 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 15 into 6 is equal to 1 upon 90. Now we have y minus x upon x plus 1 n plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 90. Y minus x is equal to 1 upon 15. So according to the formula, x plus y minus x upon n plus 1 is equal to x is 3 upon 5 plus y minus x is equal to y minus x upon n plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 90. Taking LCM, we get 90 as LCM. Dividing 90 by 5 we get 18. 18 3 is 54 plus 1 is equal to 55 upon 90. Simplifying them, 5 11 ja 5 18 ja. So 11 upon 18 is a first rational number between x and y. Now the second, x plus 2y minus x upon n plus 1. So value of x is 3 upon 5 plus 2 into value of y minus x upon n plus 1 is 1 upon 90. So 1 upon 90, 245 is 90. 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 45. Taking LCM, we get 45 as LCM. Dividing 45 by 5 we get 9. 9 3 is 27 plus 1 is equal to 28 upon 45. So second rational number is 28 upon 45. Now third, ax plus 3 y minus x upon n plus 1. So 3 upon 5 plus 3 into 1 upon 90. 3 30 is 90. 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 30. Adding them, (19 upon 30). Then ax plus 4 y minus x upon n plus 1 is equal to 3 upon 5 plus 4 into 1 upon 90. 2 2 is 4, 2 45 is 3 upon 5 plus 2 1 is 2 upon 45. Taking LCM of 5 and 45, we get 45. Dividing 45 by 5, we get 9. 9th is 27 plus 2 is equal to 29 upon 45. This is a fourth rational numbers. We have to find fifth rational number. So ax plus 5 y minus x upon n plus 1. 3 upon 5 plus 5 into 1 upon 90. 5 18 ja. 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 18. LCM will be 90. 18 3 is 54 plus 5 is equal to 55 upon 90. Sorry, 54 plus 5 59. 59 upon 90. So 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3 are 11 upon 18, 28 upon 45, 19 upon 30, 29 upon 45, and 59 upon 90. In this method, it is a easier method, and you can do it if you have learnt these formulas and the process. At first we have to find out y minus x upon n plus 1. Then you can do this very easily.